Wait. Got it. Alright, let's see. Ooh, these are cute. Alright. Okay. And now we can jump right into the video. Hey guys. So today we're cooking Sunday dinner together. The menu is beef short ribs, candy yams, and French green beans. So let's start cooking. So first you want to cut your onions and your bell peppers up. On the way I cook my vegetables. But I do love to cook, and when I'm not working on Sundays, I try to have like a home cooked meal every Sunday. I had taste was a short meal, so I was like, I think that's and also I had so much fun, but I didn't cook those because I worked on over it at this point, but I just kept going because I'm like, well, I'm almost done, so we'll just finish cutting this up, and then I think I got a new knife when I start cutting something else up. But anyway, yeah, so whatever vegetables you want. Sometimes I add tri-color with the red and orange pepper, but I didn't have those, so green and yellow. Not being my friend, but anyway, so after you cut that up, you want to get your crock pot or your roaster or whatever you're going to do it in, but I did a crock pot, and put your vegetables at the bottom, and then I usually lay my meat on top of the vegetables, but the meat was marinated so I can never pronounce that sauce, but yeah, it was marinated that while I was putting the vegetables in. I let the meat marinate for maybe about 20 minutes. I had to run to the store, so I about 20 minutes. Came back to the vegetables. So here you see me putting the meat in the crock pot, and I had, I think, 3 or 4 ribs. So I didn't want to overstuff the crock pot. My crock pot is pretty big, but here you see me putting garlic powder on it. I didn't show that in the video, but that was the first seasoning with garlic powder. Then I went in with garlic powder, and I did fresh thyme, and I did onion powder, and seasoning salt, and flavor it, season it to taste. So everyone's taste is different. I use more so seasonings than I do salt. We don't really eat salt in my household like that, so if you do see me using salt, it's either pink Himalayan salt or a little bit of seasoning salt, but it's never a lot of salt. I use a lot of different dash, a lot of herbs to season my food, onion powder, pepper, and then for my liquid, I use beef stock. So you don't really want to cover the entire I know that sounds kind of weird, but yes, I put the gravy because I wanted it to make like its own juice. So the gravy mixed with the beef stock came out delicious. Then I set the crock pot on high for 6 hours. Okay, so then we're gonna do our sweet potatoes. I hate cutting sweet potatoes because when you get to that middle you know, I got the job done. So after that, I put these in the oven. I didn't do on top of the stove. I like to do my sweet potatoes in the oven. So I got me like a little dish and, just laid it over. And I just used vanilla flavoring, and also I used some vanilla shake by Day2. I'm gonna put everything in the box so that you'll know what to do this meal, but it's pretty simple. So flavor it to taste again. Everyone's different, but this is the vanilla sugar I was telling you about. She's by a black lady. I'll post her information in the description box. Sugar, and you just cover this up. Oh, I forgot the butter. Butter is important because so I put a couple scoops of butter on here, and then I just covered it with some oil, and I put it in the oven for like 30-40 minutes. You just gotta keep checking it. All right, so then I did my French green beans. My son loves these green beans, so I typically cook these with a lot of onions because this is one of the vegetables that I know that he'll eat. So I season this with pickled Himalayan salt. Well, at the bottom of the pan you saw butter, but Himalayan salt, black pepper. Garlic powder, and then I did the whatever it's called, and then the regular original Mrs. Dash. Mrs. Dash stays in my house. It's a staple here, so I cook with it all the time. That and garlic powder, and then for my liquid here, I use vegetable stock. Instead of the beef stock, I use vegetable stock. And that's it, y'all. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3.